The special effects and the illusions of it just like make the whole thing.
The trains.
It's just unbelievable, and you just don't. When you're watching it, you're just like, wow, that was incredible.
Yeah. I like the choreography when there were businessmen and women and they just danced.
Yeah. And With You is absolutely beautiful. That sounds so well. And the ensemble sounds stunning.
Yeah,
they
the harmonies
so
are incredible.
Good. And as musical theatre students, we do inspire to that, don't we?
Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah.
My husband and I have come to see Ghost with two of our friends from California, and we're all really enjoying the show and are very impressed with the way the special effects are working and how you feel it's at least as good, if not a lot better than the film. The singing is fabulous, the sound is fabulous, it's good as usual.
And through the door,
special
effects, lovely.
Fantastic.
Singing is brilliant. Love Carl.
What's your
to meet him after. Backstage.
No, I think it's fabulous.
Fantastic.
That's perfect.
Really brilliant.
We're going to come watch it again, but we haven't seen it all yet.